Good morning, this is Anna. I wanted to demonstrate on how to use Screencast to have your document read directly onto a YouTube video. So pretty much what I did was I opened up my book in my library or my document, and then all you have to do is just, maybe highlight what you would like read to your students and click on listen.
It took a 9-month course and obtained employment as investigator for a surety company. The drive for success was on. I proved to the world I was important. My work took me about Wall Street, and little by little I became interested in the market.
So when you're done, you just hit pause or stop. Stop will clear off the highlights off the screen. Then once you are done with the recording, all you have to do is click pause down here on the bottom, and then or actually that you're done recording, and publish.